on.
Do we know what? We do it today. I'm good. A big boy.
No, it's a big boy.
Bye! Bye! Get me back.
Got your bat? What you gonna do with your bat?
I play piano.
You wanna play the piano?
Yeah.
You gonna play it with the baseball bat?
Yeah.
You can't play a piano with a baseball bat. You'll break it. What sound does a dinosaur make? What sound does a chicken make? What sound does a cow make? What sound does a dog make? What sound does a cat make? Meow. What sound does a lizard make?
Put down. Put down.
Hold on.
Put down. Put down.
No.
Put down.
You can't. It's a camera. What did that spider do?
We're here.
What other sounds do you know? What sound does a train make?
Not talk. Did you?
Chicka 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 choo choo. What sound does a car make?
Boom.
Vroom. What sound does an airplane make?
Boom.
What sound does a bird make?
Squeaky.
What sound does Noah make?
Happy.
Happy. What sound does a squirrel make? How about, what other animals do you know? What sound does a sheep make?
Ah!
Bah. What sound does what sound does a lion make? Roar. Roar.
Pocket. What?
Yeah, what's in your pocket? Huh?
Yeah, pie.
You got a potty?
I got pies.
You got a prize or you got a potty?
Pie.
You got a potty?
Got pies.
You got a prize? What's the prize?
Buggy.
That's a boat. No, no.
Buggy. Buggy.
What's up?
Buggy.
Buggy. Do you gotta go potty?
No.
No. Are you sure?
No.
You're not sure? Don't swing it. Don't do it. No.
A tree. Hit it. Be back.
It is a doggy. It's a big doggy.
I'm
No, you don't want to pet her. It's going potty.
Go potty.
It's going potty.
Go potty.
Yeah.
Come in.
No, it's a big dog. You don't know if it's nice or not.
Come here. Come do.
You can watch it.
I can watch it.
You can watch it.
I go potty.
No, it's done going potty. It's going inside. It's going home.
Go.
It's going home.
Go potty.
No, it goes potty outside.
Go outside.
Yeah. But Noah goes potty inside, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Coffee, coffee.
What?
My taco. I want back.
Now you're back?
Oh, Noah.
I'm gonna get it.
I play piano. I play piano.
Gonna play piano? You can say bye?
Bye.
See you later.
See you later. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Give me one more dinosaur. What sound does a dinosaur make?
Play piano.
I know. Hold on. Tell me what sound a dinosaur makes. No. Can you do dinosaur real quick and we'll play piano?
Yeah.
What sound does a dinosaur make?
Piano. Noise.
What sound does he make?
Noise.
He just makes noise. He doesn't,
Yeah.
he doesn't say anything.
It's on. What teacher doing?
What kind of dinosaur do you like?
Mm.
Do you like the Tyrannosaurus Rex? Do you like... what's another cool one? Do you like the Megalodon?
Yeah.
No. How about Triceratops?
No.
Brontosaurus?
No. Happy.
You're happy? Why are you so happy? Why are you so happy?
No.
Got your pine cone. Alright, say bye. We're gonna play piano.
Bye-bye now.
Bye bye now.
Bye-bye now.
Bye bye.